Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the signal path and gain structure. Plug the guitar or die into channel 1 on the X32, then set the preamp so peaks hit around -6 dB to -3 dB. This preserves headroom. Use the pad if the source is hot. Once the input is healthy, engage the source select and name the channel for quick recall. Make sure the channel is routed to the correct bus and subgroup, so the next EQ stage works on the intended mix. Now move into the channel EQ section and think in frequency zones. First, set a gentle high pass at about 80 Hz to remove stage rumble. If bass bleeds, steepen the slope. Identify mud by sweeping a narrow cut through 200-400 Hz and reduce it until the notes sit cleaner. Then add a presence boost around 2-4K Hz to help the guitar cut. A slight boost at 5-8K Hz adds pick attack. Make small moves and listen in context with the band. Finalize by listening to the guitar in the full mix and toggling the EQ to confirm improvements. Once done, add subtle bus compression at 2-1 if you need consistent level, and consider a parallel aux for heavier tone. If you hear ringing or feedback, locate the offending frequency with a narrow sweep and apply a notch. Do this rather than broad cuts to preserve tone. Make sure to save your scene on the X32 so you can recall settings next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.